Wanilla is a mobile platform that turns your designs and ideas into mobile applications. You don't need to code. Simply import your files and Wanilla will do all the magic. You can right-click on your desktop and airdrop your files to your phone or tablet. The application will parse the design and transform it into a fully working mobile app. Our software identifies the intended behavior from the design and generates the necessary user interface elements for you. Lists, buttons, switches, maps, and others. You can publish your changes and view your new app on a different device or share it with your colleague. You can also switch on different versions or user flows of your app, all in one place. One of the most important things for our users is to be able to collaborate. At Wanilla, we took this need very seriously and made collaboration extremely easy for them. Simply add your colleague's email and send them an invite. As soon as they're in, they will be able to preview and test your apps. We will be adding more capabilities for collaboration in the next months, such as comments and shared editing. You can further customize both the visual and functional aspects of your apps from our interface builder. There, you can change the order of the screens in your applications or set app animations or other mobile-specific properties. No app is valuable unless it displays some form of data. Wanilla enables you to connect to any backend service you have access to and display your data in your application with a handful of clicks. In the next months, we will be making updates to our UX to make this process even more simple and easy to use. When you publish your changes, all the people in your team have immediate access to your updates. They simply have to open Wanilla. No more handling code, builds, test flight, or other third-party distribution tools. One of the key things in mobile apps is navigation. If your designs include navigation or prototyping instructions for the succession of screens, Wanilla will reflect those in your app. When you open the interface builder, you will see all your screens listed there, with visual indication for the screen flows. You can enable or disable them, change the target screens within the same user flow or another in the same app. When you tap on an origin element, Wanilla will take care of the navigation for you and display the appropriate screen. This is just the beginning of what you will be able to do with Wanilla as we work towards bringing apps from idea to product without a line of code.